I'm Chef Christine Hazel and I'm here at Moonshine Philly today. We're about to make a over-the-top brunch dish. We're doing an apple streusel French toast with a bacon whiskey glaze. All right, for starters, we just have to get our bacon rendering in the pan. And I'm using an applewood smoked bacon. Well, the bacon's in the pan. I'm gonna chop up some apples for our glaze. So for this dish, we're looking to hit all the fun, exciting parts of brunch. Sweet, salty, savory. I'm using a Granny Smith apple. It's gonna be a little bit more on the tart side. We're gonna do a traditional French toast custard. I'm gonna give our bacon another stir. All right, while we're waiting to finish our sauce, we're gonna make fresh whipped cream. So put a little bit of our cream. Set this aside. All right. We're gonna toss our apples in with the bacon. We wanna scrape the bottom of the pan to get all the little bits up. That's called the fond, just to give a nice glossiness to our sauce. And it's gonna help caramelize the sugar we're gonna add. Today we're gonna be using 1675 Spirits. It's an American whiskey that's local to the Philadelphia area. It's gonna add that nice and smoky and like the umami feel that we need to go with our sweet and salty glaze. Once we add the whiskey, we're gonna increase the heat a little bit. This way it burns off the alcohol and leaves behind a nice syrupy glaze that we're gonna use on top of our French toast. All right, now that our sauce is done, we're gonna get started on our French toast. We're gonna put the heat on about medium to low and add a little bit of butter to our pan. Today we're gonna be using apple bread. Now you can use any kind of bread you want out there. We're gonna do about 3 to 4 minutes on each side depending on how long it takes to get golden brown. All right, now for the fun part. We're about to plate up our French toast tower. What we're trying to do here is build a good amount of height. It's basically a show-stopping brunch piece. So we're gonna top off our French toast tower with our bacon, whiskey, apple glaze. You're gonna see a nice syrupy texture. I'm gonna place a lot of the apples and bacon right on top. What could make this dish better? An amazing brunch cocktail. Today, I have for you a brunch whiskey sour made with 1675 Spirits. Has some fresh egg whites, lemon, whiskey, and a little bit of bitters.